I want to share with you some escapades that Nermal has been doing. So I've got an art story for you. So if you want to stick around, I'm going to share an art story with you and some conscious living items that I want to tell you some news about them. And that is like, remember this guy, Nermal, the joy bug, and I got done with him, and I was just like, I was so happy with him, and I was so Twitter-pated with him, and then Spirit Team had me bring along the whole swag thing that has turned into conscious living art, like having higher vibrational images in our daily objects, so that we have, like, what I'm beginning to learn is that these things are prompts to help remind us to stay in 5D and to breathe and to think good thoughts and stay in a good space. Well, as I have been creating this conscious living art and putting it together into some conscious living items, one morning I woke up and I was like, oh my God, like my biggest soapbox is reminding people to breathe and to get solidly in the core of their bodies, right? Like if you've been with me for any length of time, you know, like off and on, I'm saying like, breathe, get in your body, do your light field, call in your spirit team, right? Like I do that a lot. And it dawned on me, it's like, oh my God, me more than anybody else, I need to make a conscious living item that actually has the whole thing about breathe on it. But then I went looking on the internet for product about breathing, and all I could find were like mugs and t-shirts that just said like breathe, it would just say things, just breathe. And like the feeling that I had is like when you tell somebody to breathe, they kind of do this, they kind of go, it's like, that doesn't do anything. That doesn't help. And I literally looked for conscious living product that literally had a practice, a breathwork practice on it. And maybe you can find some, but when I went looking, I could not find anything. And I was shocked and I was horrified, because if there's anything we need right now, we need something that's actually going to have the practice built in right there. All right. So let me share a little bit about this mug. So when I finally got on the whole thing of like, oh my God, I've got to make a conscious living item that actually has the breath work practice in it and on it to really help people out. And I was like, who's my mascot? Who is my mascot for this? And of course, ding, turns out to be Nermal. Of course, Nermal the joy bug, because he's gonna flit around and make you feel a lot happier. And so when I put this together, I put it in a circle, because I wanted that breath work to be in a circle. And if you look very closely, I know it's backwards, but it basically says, Nermal the joy bug wants to know if you are breathing. So here's this happy little guy, and he's just going to be here, joy, going, hey, I want to know, are you breathing? Are you breathing? Oh my God, are you breathing? And if you're not breathing, then you actually have your instructions. You're not going to get told to breathe. You're going to be able to land on the instructions of your box breath right here. So this is all breathe with Nermal, and this is going to prompt you through in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. And it's circular, so you're going to start again until you feel yourself and your body arrive into that calmer space. This is the simple box breath. And if you don't want to do box breath, then this is going to prompt you to go find the right breath work for you. But basically, this sets up for you not just to breathe in, out, it sets up for you to do the whole practice. And then at the end, like when you get done with the end of it, it says, you're so good at this. See? Already better. So you got a positive prompt right there. And then if that wasn't enough, because my thorough Virgo self, who was totally in creative mode and having so much fun with this, I want you to look at the other side of this. See, here's your morning prompt. You get a morning message of love. Take 3 sips. And then you're mine. In 2, 3, 4, getting started with the breath work. And then you'll thank me later for it. And then, you lose your breath middle of the day. So this is your afternoon message with Nermal. See, Nermal's there helping you along. It basically says, sweetie, I know things are rough. Trauma is high. And you can't punch people. So you know the drill. In 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Breathing with Nermal, box breath with Nermal. It literally is a whole practice in a mug. Like, you could not have more fun with this and laugh with this. And I'm sure if you took it to work, there are a whole lot of people there that they'd be like, oh my God, what is that? What are you doing with that? Like, you could start a whole thing, right? So if you're interested in breathing with Nermal, Nermal is in my new releases and in the Conscious Living product on my Shopify, and you can access that either through my Linktree or go to the front page of my somaticmoney.com site. He will be right there on the front page so you can go through. And I've got a shop gallery page, a tab there where you can go in and click and look at the whole Shopify thing that I've got going on there. So that is what I've got for you for now. Thank you for being here. Make sure you keep walking forward to meet those miracles along the way, and I will see you in my next video.